Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Thursday of October 28, 2021. So we are still in the middle of earnings season. A lot of big finance stock, they already announced earnings. Some of them good, some of them bad, some of them miss earnings. So the market it go up and down, but the overall trend is still bullish with more of the stock they be able to have a good earning report. As you can see here right now, let's take a look on the ESHA, which is immediate SP 500. So this year you can see that the a little bit different from last year. Last year we in September we come down, and in October we go up. We failed to make it high. They pull back down before they be able to move it back up. This year we have only 5% correction. We were able to get up and punch to the all-time high. So they pull back retest. So the momentum is still upside. So technically the market still have some more room to put it to the upside. Let's see how far they can go. And overall trend is still bullish, so we will stick with the uptrend until they change direction. If you look at the Nasdaq, which is a technology stock, also doing very well. They break out all-time high today, and then they pull back down a little bit. If they can hold on to it, the momentum is still there in the upside. The Dow is also pretty strong. It's very similar to the SP 500. They go up, they pull back down, retest, and then they still hold on to this level. So the momentum is still in the upside. On the other hand, the Russell 2000 is still sideways, choppy between the top and the bottom here. But every day they're getting better. The low getting high low. So sooner or later they will find a way to break out the sell zone here to punch to that level and have a lot of small cap stock that can turn around. A lot of them get beat up badly, so they need the chance to find a way to turn around. Okay, in the future. If you look at the Volatility Index, we are still in the low bound, even though we get bound here last couple of days. But today they slam it down again. As long as they stay low, they will have a technology stock to move to the upside. On the other hand, the 10-year Treasury note, which is the inflation curve here, we have to see that they go up, they fail to break through that level, so they slam it down. As long as they continue to slam it down, definitely they will have a lot of technology stock to move. And if you are let me see here. Okay, as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know fundamental and technical analysis and don't understand the market psychology, and without a proper risk management, and for sure you are a gambler on the stock market. That's why at the Expert Trader course we offer by Stock Navigator, we will teach you the right education to fit your trading objective to be a successful trader or investor. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor, support, and trade live with you every day in our live trading room with multiple instructors until you are successful. And then you also get a support by our strong Discord community with thousands of members willing to share their idea and support new members to achieve their goal. So now let's take a look on the 11th sector of SP 500. The strong sector like industrial is still pretty strong, but they run up too fast, so they hit to the sell zone, they pull back, but they try to build another momentum to back out again. So you can see that a lot of stock in this sector that have been doing so well. If you have been following, you see stock like UPS, they hit the high there, they pull back a little bit. CSX, okay, another strong one there, okay, and SC it also doing so well during the week here. OGFL, that's another one that we highlight last on the weekend market forecast. They all market all-time high here. The financial sector, they pull back a little bit when the interest rate fall down, drop down a little bit. So the financial, they also follow it. They pull back a little bit, but a lot of strong stock like JP Morgan, they still hang tight. They back out, pull back retest. They still hold on very well there. SBNY, the signature bank, they are still pull back, but they are still strong on the upside. Bank America also pretty strong there. SCSW, that's another one that they have been performed very well during the week. The technology sector is also doing very well. A lot of stock, they are now good earning, except some of the big boy, they are missing the earning due to the chip shortage, labor shortage, so they are up and down there. Okay, but some strong stocks like Microsoft, Google, they doing very well, have a good earning. So today it's Apple and Amazon. After our earning, they missed the earning, but the overall trend is still bullish. So let's see how they are, how investor thinking by tomorrow. Okay, as you can look at the chart, and you can see that overall trend is still bullish. AMGN, the Amazon is still choppy, but they also try to find a way to put it back up. So after hour they pull back a little bit. Let's see if they can hold on to this level and then pull it back up again. If you look at the XLV, which is the healthcare sector, they are still pretty strong. They run up too fast, so they go sideways a little bit before they can build up some momentum. J&J, some of the vaccine talk, they put it up, they hit the resistance, they pull back a little bit before they can go higher. mRNA, that's another one. Moderna, okay, this one they go up, they fail to break through the 50-day moving average, so they still hang tight there until they be able to clear that area here in order to move higher. Pfizer is also the same route. Okay, so they are still jig around here. So if they go sideways, then another good news, they may push it up to the upside again. The energy sector is also pretty strong. They are for a couple of weeks, but they are go too fast, so now they pull back up. So we're looking for a different opportunity to get back in. A lot of stock in this sector. We highlight the NEE, it's still doing very well. BDCE, that's another strong one. The CNQ, okay, that's another good one there too. The one of the sector that I would like to show you, which is the real estate and real estate, they are doing extremely very well, as we mentioned on last week. And the momentum they try to clear up. If they can clear up this resistance here, they will get more bullish in the future. And some of the stock that we already give it to you. WR, okay, this one here is ready to break out. CCI, that's another from the bottom up. They gain some momentum. If the next couple of days here they can get back the top here, the momentum will turn to the upside again. SBAC, okay, SBAC, that's another strong one here. They go up, they have some resistance, pull back, but the momentum is still strong there. AVB, okay, this one here, break out and then continue to push it up to the upside. Okay, so beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick many stocks during the day, the week, and we analyze in detail with a target and the entry so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.